Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. Alright guys, this is for the people who never saw pine straw after the breakdown. A lot of people have heard talking about pine straw, but I don't think they have the fully understanding about pine straw. Some people believe pine straw don't break down at all, but I always said pine straw do break down. And pine straw take a certain amount of time to break down. I'm hoping that someone can give me the answer. How long does it take for pine straw to break down? But now I'm going to show you how pine straw look after it break down. Alright, so these are pine straws. You see, all this is pine straw. Everything here is pine straw. Look underneath it now. You see, this is the pine cone. Pine cone take a long time, but it do break down. This is pine straw after it break down. You see? After pine straw breakdown, this is the look of pine straw. So anyone tell you that pine straw don't break down, tell them the line. Alright? Tell them the line. Plant a Garden TV reveal this to you, that pine straw do break down. And it's a very rich compost, I'm telling you. Very, very rich compost. But I just want to show you guys this. Alright, so this is the pine straw in the bucket. This is the compost from pine straw. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Peace.